Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes using this laptop's web camera. So in order to do this, open the start menu, then go to settings, don't go to settings, open the start menu, then go to all applications right here, then select camera, open it, then allow camera to use your microphone and camera if you got these notifications on your screen. Then once you do that, prepare your QR code, and here scroll down the list until you see the barcode option. Then use your QR code and face it towards your web camera, and once you see the link on your screen, click on it to open the resource that you want to reach using this QR code. And this way we got transferred to a website using the QR code that we scanned. So basically that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.